This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, double check you're still subscribed to the channel, double check your notifications are on, and if you hit that like button, double check it's working properly. They are working overtime to suppress the channel, suppress the videos, because they don't want more people becoming aware of the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Guys, listen, the bad actors, naked shorting AMC, GME, who did what they did to MMTLP, BINI, NWBO, GNS, Quant, and a whole lot of other stocks are in deep trouble, in my opinion. The reverse repo has now hit a new 4-year low. Okay, it's 13.96 billion. 13.96 billion. This is the lowest it has been in the last 4 years. Every time I think it can't get any lower, it breaks the record and goes lower. And this is bad news for the naked shorters, because this means the liquidity that the banks have available is declining. If the bank's liquidity is declining, that means the money available to lend to these naked shorters, these criminals in my opinion, is drying up also. And like I tell you guys every day, yes, the banks are in cahoots with these criminals because they know what they're funding. They know they're funding naked shorting, okay? They know that. And some of them are directly involved in it. But the banks are not going to drown with the naked shorters. They're not going to do it. So when the liquidity runs out and these guys can't maintain their naked short positions, you guys know what happened. Margin calls start. Margin calls start. And with the margin calls start, and they don't have the collateral, forced liquidation starts happening. And at that point, when they can't cover those shorts, we're going to see some major issues in the market. And that's probably one of the reasons why the SEC, the DOJ, and the FBI turn a blind eye to the fraud and corruption, because they have let it get so out of control that they know that if they try to fix it now, it's going to cause a major upheaval. But the bottom line is this: the money's running out. Look at the reverse repo. The money is running out. The liquidity is gone. And a lot of these naked shorters are going to have to start covering their short positions because they won't be able to maintain them anymore. They won't be able to pay the interest rates. And at that point, a lot of companies, their stock is going to start rising to its true value. There are lots of companies that these bad actors, these criminals, have suppressed down to benefit themselves. But the fundamentals of the companies show that the stock should be trading a whole lot higher. Prime example, AMC. You look at the movie market at this point. It's making hands over fists. It's breaking records. It's on pace to break pre-pandemic records in revenue. Yet somehow AMC stock price is under $3. Yet the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI don't see anything that requires an investigation. I mean, it's absolutely absurd in my opinion. But even the SEC won't do their job, the DOJ won't do their job, the FBI won't do their job. The reverse repo is doing their job for them. Because I believe when the liquidity runs out, they're going to have to start covering those naked short positions, and we're going to see some upheaval in the market. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's great that the reverse repo has reached new all-time lows? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.